morning, children. My name is B. Hemalata. I am your new teacher. Okay, you are all studying UKG, right? Yes, very good. Today I want to start with this class. So I will ask some questions to you. Okay. What is the date today? Can anyone say date? Okay, today date is 29. What is this month? June. What is this year? 2020. Okay, this is the today's date. What is the day today? Today is Monday. Today is Monday. Okay, shall we start this class with rhyme? Okay, do you like the rhyme? Okay, I will tell the one rhyme to you. Okay, you have to tell with action. I will do action. You have to copy from that. Okay, start. All of you stand. Okay, brush, brush, brush your teeth. Brush it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Brush it every day. Wash, wash, wash your face. Wash it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Wash it every day. Comb, comb, comb your hair. Comb it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Comb it every day. Drink, drink, drink your milk. Drink it every day. Father, mother, brother, sister. Drink it every day. So this rhyme name is Good Habits Rhyme. What is this rhyme? Good Habits Rhyme. Again I will tell you. So I will see who will tell nicely tomorrow. Okay, I will ask tomorrow this rhyme. I will see who will tell very nicely. Okay, today can we start this class with? Can you have these 2 pages with you? 1 and 2. Okay, take first page. Take first page. Okay, identify these figures. See some bags, some objectives are there here. So you have to identify the objectives nicely. Okay. What is this letter, children? A. What is this letter? A. A for apple. Where is it apple here? Can you identify where is it apple here? Here. Here apple is there. Next, what is this letter? B. B for bag. Where is it? Bag. What is this letter, children? C. C for car. Where is it? Car? Here. Car. You have to take one pencil and you have to match that objectives very nicely. Take one pencil and match these figures. Okay? Again I will tell you. Take one pencil, children, all of you. What is this letter? A. You just trace the letter nicely. A. You have to start with here and go up and down and this line and this small a. Capital A, small a. So A for apple. You have to just underline this. You have to just match this figure object with apple. And next letter is B. What is this? Capital B. What is this? Small b. B for bag. Where is the bag here? Here. You have to draw from this, from that. Okay. What is this letter? C. Capital C, small c. So C for car. Where is it? Car? Here. So you have to match this car. D for, this is capital D, small d. D for dog. Where is the dog? Here. So you have to match. E. Capital E, small e. Capital E, small e. Where is E for egg? Where is egg here? Here, there, egg. Do you like egg? Every day you have to eat one egg. This is very good for health. Okay, E for egg. Egg. F for fish. Sorry, frog. F for frog. Where is it? Frog? Is this animal? See, that animal is there. F for frog. We have to match this frog from here. What is this? G. Capital G, small g. Where is the G? G for grapes. H. Capital H, small h. You have to round the Z. G for grapes, right? grapes round. And H for hen. H for hen. Round the hen. Where is the hen here? Here. Round the hen. And I for iron box. Capital I and small I. I for iron box. Round the I. Iron box. J. Capital J and small j. J for joker. So you have to round the joker here. What is this, children? Capital K and small k. This letter. So you have to round the kite. Where is the kite here? Here. Kite. So you have to round the kite. And what is this, children? Letter L. L for lion. So lock. We have to underline the lock. See, here like these figures are coming. You have to observe. Kite, lock, K, L, like this. K, L. M for monkey. Where is the monkey? Here. So you have to underline the round the monkey. Don't forget to trace these lines, children. You have to trace this letter and you have to underline this object. This is your work from this shape. What is your work? You have to trace, nicely trace. If any mistakes, you can use eraser and very nicely trace. You have to, tracing means nothing. You have to connect the dots. Here dots are there. You have to connect the dots with pencil. N for nib. O for owl. P, capital P, small p. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for capital R, small r. Rabbit. S for snake. Capital S, small s. Snake. And the T. Don't forget to trace, children. Trace T, small t. Okay. T for tiger. Can you went anywhere? Zoo. Do you know the zoo? If you go to the zoo, if you went to the zoo, you can see all the animals. Monkey, frog, dog, tiger. You can see all the animals are there. Okay. Next, U. U for umbrella. Where is the umbrella? I am not telling. You only identify that object. Where is the umbrella? Here. So, you have to trace the U and small u and underline the umbrella. V for vase. W for wheel. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay, this is small letters and capital letters and small letters. You have to trace these letters and what is the nearest objectives are there. You have to match. What is the very fat? You can match from this snake from here. No, it's not easy. That's why I am telling you have to round up. It's easy for you. Okay? Are you clear? Now I am asking. A for apple. B for bag. C for car. D for dog. E for egg. F for frog. G for grapes. H for hen. I for iron box. J for joker. K for kite. L for lock. M for monkey. N for nib. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for quilt. R for rabbit. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for wheel. X for Xmas. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Okay? Next, I am going to teach the second page. Can you open the second page? Second page you have to take here. What is this letters? Can you say? Can you identify? What is this letter? Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Capital C, small c. Capital D, small d. Capital E, small e. Okay. First of all, you have to write this sheet. This is your HW. This is your online class work. Okay? And you have to write simultaneously in your notebook also. Homework you have to write, notebook also you have to write. 2 pages. Okay? I will check later. Thank you. Children, open the page number 2. Okay? Here I explained already what is this letter. Capital A, small A, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, capital D, small d, capital D, small d. How to write these letters as it is, like see, watching this page, page number 2. See. Lines touching is main important. You have to start with the third line. 1, 2, 3, right? You have to start with the third line and touch the top line and again down. No need to touch bottom line. Only you have to start with the third line and touch the red line and after that down and middle. This is capital A and small a. Small letter, small a you have to write only in this black line, 2 lines like this, right. And B. How to write B? Touch the top. This is also same line. Touch the third line, go to top line and B. This is small b. And C. How to write C? Touch the top line and small letters you have to write in this only 2 lines. C. See, lines touching is very important. How I am writing? How is it look like? See, top line, third line. Here nobody not touching this bottom line. See. So you have to write with clean and neat handwriting. Only lines follow. Third line, top line, and this time only you have to write. This is the capital D, small d, capital E. Same, this is also line, 3 lines, and small d you have to write with only this line. And another pages also you have to write same. How the textbook given these letters, you have to observe these lines and you have to write like this. And simultaneously you have to do your homework and mention the date on your notebook. Here I mentioned the date and the